Hey everyone, hope you're having a great start to your Wednesday. I just want to give a recap of yesterday's CC Cycle 1, Week 16. Overall, I think it was a good time that we had together in learning and making God known. Um, New grammar was fairly easy. The African waters, we only had four locations and they were pretty easy to identify on the map. I think there's still a little bit of, there's different versions of maps in the Zambezi River. That was the only one that was really um, unsure about as far as, because there's different rivers around that area. So, but there was only four, three rivers in Lake Victoria. Pretty straightforward. And the other grammar, the new grammar, and the other subjects were fairly short. And of course, Latin, we've been doing first declension noun endings, so everyone's pretty well versed on those at this point. Science, we had two projects, and I think overall, they grasped the concept of what we can see with of course, we did the toothpaste and showing how magma can move around in the earth. I think they were able to connect with that and the balloon, the tension. And the one thing that we were intrigued by, I guess, is we blew the balloons up pretty big. In the videos that you might watch, don't blow them up very as big, and you can see the square stretch a little bit, but we had blown it up so big that the square had almost become invisible. So that was just an interesting observation that we went from seeing the square pretty plainly with the two parts, 2/3 of it being colored in, to almost invisible when you blow it up as big as you can. And for grammar review, we did the Mad Gab game, which I had done that, I think, I don't know if I did it last year or the year before, but they were into that more than I thought they'd be, which was good. It mainly focuses on science and history grammar items. They had a good time with the Mad Gab. If you're interested in that, it's on CC Connected. I also have access to it as well. If you really wanted to see the Word docs, I could send them to you. And fine arts, we did Durer and we did the Prince, and several of the students did multiple copies. So we had one for the art for their fine arts portfolio, one they could take home. So it was, I think they enjoyed that as well. So that's a quick recap of week 16. Week 17, as far as new grammar, looks pretty similar as far as the material. So it should be a smooth ride into our week break. So I hope you have a great rest of your week, and hopefully see you next week. Thanks.